In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block third-party cookies on Brave browser. Brave is designed with privacy in mind, and one of the most effective ways to reduce tracking across the web is to block third-party cookies. These are small files set by sites other than the one you're visiting, typically ad networks or analytics providers, to follow your activity from site to site. By blocking them, you keep essential site features working while cutting down on cross-site tracking. Start by opening your Brave browser. Make sure you're on the desktop version for the clearest match with what you'll see here. Once Brave is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three-line menu icon. This opens your main app menu, where all the key settings live. From that menu, click on Settings. This takes you to Brave's Control Center. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of categories that group related privacy and browser options. Select Shields. Shields is Brave's built-in protection suite that handles ad blocking, tracker blocking, fingerprinting protections, and cookie controls. Inside Shields, find the section labeled Block Cookies. This is where you choose how strictly Brave should handle cookies. To block tracking without breaking most websites, choose Block Third-Party Cookies. With this option turned on, the sites you visit can still set first-party cookies that keep you signed in or remember your preferences. But cookies from outside domains, like ad servers, are stopped. The change takes effect immediately. If you already have a site open, refresh the page so it applies the new cookie rules. Most websites will continue to function normally. You might notice fewer personalized ads and less cross-site tracking. In some rare cases, certain embedded content or sign-in pop-ups that rely on third-party cookies may not load as expected. If that happens, remember that you can always return to the Shields page to adjust the setting later if needed. Brave also offers per-site controls through its Shields options, so you can fine-tune behavior for specific pages without weakening privacy everywhere. A quick note on expectations. Blocking third-party cookies is a balanced, privacy-friendly default. It protects against the most common forms of tracking while preserving logins and shopping carts that rely on first-party cookies. If you ever test a site after making this change, give it a quick reload to ensure the new setting is fully applied. That's it. Your browser is now set to block third-party cookies. Enjoy a cleaner, more private browsing experience with Brave's Shields doing the heavy lifting in the background.